Welcome to Next Gen Innovators, where we explore the technology shaping the future. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever. Every week, new tools promise to make us more productive, more creative, and more efficient. But with so many options available, it can be difficult to know which ones are actually worth your time. That's exactly why we created this list. These aren't just popular AI tools, they're tools that solve real problems, help real people, and are already changing the way businesses, creators, students, and developers work every day. Let's begin with one of the names you've almost certainly heard before. Number 10, ChatGPT. When ChatGPT first launched, most people saw it as a chatbot. Today, it's much more than that. Think of ChatGPT as an all-in-one AI assistant that can help you write, brainstorm, learn, analyze information, generate ideas, create images, and even work with files, all from a single conversation. Need to write a professional email? It can help. Need to summarize a 100-page report? Upload it. Trying to learn a difficult subject? Ask it to explain things step by step. Working with spreadsheets? It can help analyze data and even create charts from your files. One feature that really stands out is projects. Instead of starting from scratch every time you open ChatGPT, projects let you organize conversations, files, and instructions around a specific goal. Imagine having one project dedicated to your YouTube channel, another for your business, and another for your studies. Everything stays organized, making it much easier to pick up where you left off. Another impressive capability is deep research, which can spend time gathering information from multiple trusted sources before presenting it in a structured report. It's especially useful when you're researching a topic that would normally take hours to investigate manually. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a business owner planning your next marketing campaign, a developer writing code, or a content creator searching for new ideas, ChatGPT has become one of the most versatile AI tools available today. Number 9. Perplexity. Searching the internet hasn't changed much in decades. You type a question into a search engine, scroll through pages of links, open multiple websites, and hope you eventually find the answer you're looking for. Perplexity changes that experience completely. Instead of giving you a list of links, it reads information from multiple sources and delivers a clear, well-organized answer, complete with citations so you can verify where the information came from. It's like having a research assistant who not only finds the information for you, but also tells you exactly where it came from. Whether you're comparing products, researching a company, learning about a new technology, or staying updated on current events, Perplexity can dramatically reduce the time you spend searching online. For students, journalists, and anyone who values reliable information, it's quickly becoming one of the smartest alternatives to traditional search engines. Number 8. Notebook LM. Have you ever wished you could upload an entire textbook, research paper, or collection of notes and simply ask questions about it? That's exactly what Notebook LM is designed to do. Instead of searching the entire internet, Notebook LM focuses only on the documents you provide. Upload your PDFs, notes, presentations, or reports, and it turns them into an interactive knowledge base. Need a summary? It can do that. Need study questions? It can generate them. Need key insights from hundreds of pages? It finds them in seconds. One of its most impressive capabilities is generating podcast-style audio discussions based on your uploaded material, making it possible to learn while you're driving, exercising, or simply relaxing. For students, researchers, professionals, and anyone dealing with large amounts of information, Notebook LM transforms overwhelming documents into something that's actually easy to understand. And we're only getting started. The next tools on this list move beyond research and productivity into advanced reasoning, software development, image creation, and video generation, areas where AI is changing entire industries. So far, we've looked at tools that help you research, organize information, and get answers faster. But what if you need an AI that can think through complex problems, write cleaner code, or even create stunning artwork from a single sentence? The next 4 tools take things to another level. Number 7. Claude. When it comes to handling long documents and thoughtful conversations, Claude has built a reputation for being one of the most reliable AI assistants available. Instead of rushing to an answer, Claude is designed to carefully process large amounts of information and provide responses that are clear, structured, and easy to follow. Imagine uploading an entire business proposal, a legal contract, or hundreds of pages of meeting notes and asking, "What are the key points?" Claude can break everything down into simple summaries, identify important details, and even help you rewrite sections in a more professional tone. It's also a favorite among writers, researchers, and developers because it excels at brainstorming, editing, and explaining complicated topics without overwhelming the user. If your work involves reading, writing, or analyzing large amounts of information, Claude is definitely worth exploring. Number 6. Gemini. Google has spent decades organizing the world's information, and with Gemini, it's bringing that experience into the world of AI. Gemini isn't just another chatbot, it's deeply connected to Google's ecosystem. That means it can work alongside tools many people already use every day, helping with emails, documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and more. Planning a trip. Gemini can help build an itinerary. Working on a presentation, it can suggest content and organize your ideas. Need help understanding a complex topic? It can explain concepts step by step in a way that's easy to understand. Because it's backed by Google's technology, Gemini is especially useful for people who already rely on Google services for work or school. It's a powerful option for anyone looking to combine productivity with AI assistance in one familiar environment. Number 5. Cursor. If you're not a programmer, this next tool might look intimidating at first, but don't let that fool you. Cursor is one of the most exciting AI-powered code editors available today. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering where to begin, developers can describe what they want to build in plain English, and Cursor helps generate code, fix bugs, explain errors, and even suggest improvements as they work. Imagine asking, "Build me a modern landing page," and watching the project begin to take shape in seconds. For experienced developers, Cursor speeds up repetitive tasks and debugging. For beginners, it acts almost like a coding mentor, explaining what the code does and helping them learn along the way. As AI becomes more integrated into software development, tools like Cursor are changing how applications are built and making programming more accessible than ever before. Number 4. Midjourney. What if you could turn your imagination into artwork simply by describing it? That's exactly what Midjourney makes possible. Type a prompt like, "A futuristic city floating above the clouds at sunset," and within moments you'll have breathtaking, high-quality images that look like they came from a professional digital artist. From fantasy landscapes and cinematic movie posters to product concepts and book covers, Midjourney has become a favorite among designers, marketers, game developers, and content creators. The quality of its images continues to impress, often capturing lighting, textures, and artistic styles with remarkable detail. Whether you're designing thumbnails, creating concept art, or simply exploring your creativity, Midjourney proves just how far AI-generated imagery has come. And while creating beautiful images is impressive, the next 3 tools push AI even further, giving it a voice, the ability to create videos, and even helping people build complete applications with little or no coding at all. So far, we've explored AI tools that can help you write, research, code, and create incredible images. But the next 3 tools push things even further, giving AI a voice, the ability to create videos, and even the power to build software with little or no coding. Let's dive in. Number 3. Runway. Creating professional-looking videos used to require expensive software and years of editing experience. Runway is changing that. With just a text prompt, you can generate cinematic video clips, remove unwanted objects, replace backgrounds, extend scenes, and apply creative effects that once required an entire production team. Imagine typing, "A futuristic city at sunrise with flying vehicles," and watching a short video come to life. For filmmakers, marketers, advertisers, and YouTube creators, Runway speeds up production and opens the door to ideas that would have been difficult or even impossible to create on a small budget. As AI video generation continues to improve, tools like Runway are helping redefine how visual content is made. Number 2, 11 Labs. What if you could create a professional voiceover without ever picking up a microphone? That's exactly what 11 Labs makes possible. It's widely recognized for producing natural-sounding AI voices that capture realistic pacing, emotion, and pronunciation. Whether you're narrating YouTube videos, creating audiobooks, building podcasts, or localizing content into multiple languages, 11 Labs gives creators access to voices that sound remarkably human. One of its most powerful features is voice cloning, which, when used with proper permission, can recreate the characteristics of a speaker's voice for legitimate creative and business uses. For content creators, this means producing high-quality narration consistently without the need for a recording studio. It's one of the reasons AI-generated content has become more polished and accessible than ever before. Number 1, Lovable. And finally, the number 1 tool on today's list. Imagine describing an app in plain English. I want a website that lets users track their fitness goals. Or, build me a simple task manager with a clean dashboard. Instead of spending weeks learning programming languages, Lovable can generate the foundation of a web application based on your description. It creates user interfaces, connects different parts of the application, and gives you a starting point that you can continue refining. While it's not a replacement for experienced software developers, it's dramatically lowering the barrier for entrepreneurs, creators, and small businesses that want to turn ideas into working prototypes. Just a few years ago, building an app required specialized technical knowledge. Today, AI is making software development accessible to more people than ever before, and that's exactly why Lovable earns the number 1 spot on our list. Conclusion: artificial intelligence isn't replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. The people who benefit the most from these tools aren't the ones trying to let AI do everything. They're the ones learning how to work alongside it. Whether you're a student trying to learn faster, a developer writing better code, an entrepreneur building your next business, or a creator growing your audience, there's never been a better time to start exploring what AI can do. The technology is evolving quickly, and the skills you build today could become some of the most valuable skills you have tomorrow. Call to action. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI tool on today's list impressed you the most? And is there an amazing AI tool that didn't make the list but deserves to be featured in a future video? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one of them. If you enjoyed this video and want practical guides, honest reviews, and the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Innovators and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.